Every Christmas, we say it. We need more young people in radio. We're passing this hobby to the next generation. Our legacy depends on newcomers. But here's the uncomfortable truth: we're passing the hobby to the next generation, and they don't want it. Let's talk about it. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Merry Christmas to you. You know, the next generation, they don't want ham radio, and it's not because they're lazy, not because they don't care, or not because they'd rather stare at a screen. It's because we've made ham radio feel unwelcoming. We told them to learn the hard way, but mocked them when their first questions sounded basic. We said, "We want youth," but then sneered when they didn't recognize 40-year-old jargon. We begged for new operators, but ridiculed those who used FT8, YouTube, cell phone programming, Discord nets, digital modes, and modern gear. Also, the cheap Chinese radios. We told them to join clubs and then treated them like outsiders. We claimed that the future mattered, but refused to listen to anyone who wasn't 60 plus with a tower in their yard. And somehow, we're shocked they don't want to inherit this hobby. Here's the reality: the next generation isn't rejecting radio, they are rejecting the way they are treated. The good news, though, that can change. Today's video is sponsored by Ham Radio Prep. Guys, hamradioprep.com, because if we're serious about growing this hobby, we need to stop making getting licensed feel like a gatekeeping ritual. Ham Radio Prep makes entry simple with guided lessons, video courses, practice tests, and yeah, they back it all with a money-back guarantee if you fail your test. This applies to technician, general, extra, you name it. You'll need to see the website for the money-back guarantee details, because barriers don't help this hobby. People do. So make sure you go check out hamradioprep.com and use coupon code HamShackTV. We're going to give you 10% off. They're already great prices, and their prices are great, y'all. It's the easiest way to get into the hobby, hamradioprep.com. So maybe this Christmas, the greatest gift we can give ham radio isn't another radio under tree, but humility. Invite someone in, mentor them, Elmer them, instead of mocking them. Answer the same question for the 100th time kindly, because that person might be the one who keeps your repeater alive after you're gone. We say we want to pass this hobby on. Well, we don't need more radios handed down. We need attitudes handed down. Encouragement, patience, grace, or else the truth stands. We're passing the hobby to the next generation, but they don't want it. Let's give them a reason to. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. And stop killing the hobby you claim to love. Guess I can't thank y'all enough. This channel is growing. We're growing. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. And when we do, I'm giving away an HF radio live on stream. It's an ICOM IC7300, courtesy of Gigaparts. They're helping me out with this deal. We appreciate them. Guys, hit that subscribe button. Share HamShackTV with a friend or somebody you might think might be interested in ham radio. Appreciate you watching 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.